How to add description to your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add description to your page on Facebook app, easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it, and here click on those three lines up there, click on your page. Now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on info, page info, and here you're gonna find add description. Click on it. Here enter your description on your page. If you are done, just click on save and save this information to your page information on Facebook app. Easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like this video.